Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting program for you on Scratch. In this program, I will be making a 3D tube and it is going to be very interesting. Let me quickly make it a full screen and show you the result of the program first. Look at this. This is a cat sprite that is making colorful circles, and let's see what is the drawing about. It keeps on making different circles and it turns out like a 3D tube. You can see that the cat is keep on moving and making lines. This looks amazing. So yes, it gives you a 3D view. You can watch it. So I hope you enjoyed the output. This is how you can make a 3D tube using Scratch. And if you don't know how to write a script, so follow the steps. I will be deleting everything and then let's start from the scratch. If you don't know what is how we draw it, so first you have to go to left bottom side of your application and there is a button called Add Extension. Click on it. Use the pen extensions. Click on the pen extension so that your sprites can draw anything on the stage using these pen blocks. Now I will delete the sprite. Then you have to use the erase all block, drag it in your script area, click it once so that everything will be erased on the stage. Put it back. It's time to start. Choose a sprite. I am going to add a cat. You can add any of your favorite sprite and let's see the program. First you have to go to events and use green flag click block. Then you have to go to the pen blocks. Use erase all block to erase everything. Then pen down block to make your pen ready for the drawing. Then go to the control. Use two repeat blocks. One is the outer block and one is the inner repeat block. You have to change its number. The outer one has 60 cycles and the inner one will be having 20 cycles for this 3D tube. Now go to the motion and add 3 motion blocks inside the inner repeat block. So I'm going to use a move block. After that, turn 15 degrees block. Then another move 10 step block inside this repeat 20 block, and I will be changing the numbers. First one, move 15 steps, then turn 15 will be turn 20, and move 10, the next move 10 steps will be 15 steps. Once we are done, then there is something to add in the outer repeat loop, outer 60 loop. So you have to go to pen and there is a block called change pen color by 10. This is going to help your sprite to make colorful circles, and this time it's not 10, make it 20. Okay, after that there is one last block you must add out of your in the outer repeat loop. So go to motions, use turn 15 degrees, put it next to this change pen color block and its number will be 45. Remember to put these blocks outside of the inner repeat block, because if you're going to put these two inside the repeat 20 block, then the program will not give you the actual output. So be very careful when you are writing your script. We are done and then it's time to see the output. Make your screen bigger and then press the green flag. Here we go. This is the same output that I showed you in the beginning of the program. It is going to be a 3D tube with colorful circles. So I hope you enjoyed the video and try to practice the same program on Scratch. You will be very happy once you see the result. I hope you like all my fun programs. There is a whole playlist of Scratch and there are a lot of fun videos. Keep watching my videos. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.